Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox the rest of the stuff that we got from the Supreme drop back on drop from the Supreme drop back in February 25th, 2019. We got this last night, so I didn't want to unbox it during the nighttime. I like to have a natural light. So I was kind of surprised that my son picked up this one. That is the front tee, and that is $38 plus $4.22 for the tax and $10 shipping. So total is $52.20. So let's go ahead and unbox this one first. Unwrap it. Let's move that out of the way. So you got the nice Supreme shopping bag. Well, check it out what's inside. Wow, look at this. Nice. Very nice. Oh, wow. Got the different sticker. So get the 3 sticker pack, which is pretty nice. And then here is the shower cap. I did the unbox for the beanies last time, so I believe the shower cap is the same. So let's check it out real quick. So yeah, you got the Jacquard plastic shower cap. I did that last time already, so I'm not gonna do it again. So let's go ahead and check out the rest. So you got the size small. Probably because I told him size small is the most popular size, so probably gonna do this for the resale. So as you can see, France T, Spring Summer 19, and then 749. This is the neon orange color, size small, and there is the barcode with the number. All right, SUPREME, pre-strung, 100% made in USA, size small. So actually it's kind of expensive for this shirt. $52.20. Well, it looks kind of big. It looks kind of like a medium to me instead of size small. All right, so that's that one. Let's go ahead and check out this one. This one is the real SHIT long sleeve tee. This one's in the navy color, size medium, and retail price is $40, $10 shipping. So total damage, and then the tax is $4.38. So the total is $54.38 for this piece right here. Because I didn't want to combine the shipping, and then we end up not getting might be sold out, so you never know. But that's the problem if you don't combine shipping and then you end up paying like a, so this is $10 shipping fee, $10, and then the beanie. So we spend like $40 just for the shipping alone, so which is not good. Again, you got the Supreme gift bag. Oh, so this one I got the front teeth, and I got, what is that? The barcode again, and then the red box logo sticker, and then the shower cap again. Go check out this one. Ooh, nice. And there you go. Pretty strong. 100% cotton, made in USA, size medium. Be sure to look for this barcode. Alright. Because there are so many copies one out there, or fake one. You gotta be careful. Navy color, size medium, and then that is the number for the barcode. And there are like a hole right here on this side, and on this side as well. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, so on this one too, there's a hole right there on both sides. You guys want to do some legit check, and then there's a 2 hole on the top as well. Actually, it's a hole punch, so it's front and the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, this one is pretty nice. I like it. I mean, compared to that and $2 more, I would rather get the long sleeve. But I know when the summertime comes, it might be too hot, so look at those stitching, pretty nice. Wow. So on the back, they did not put the tissue paper, so hopefully the paint doesn't get on there, on the sleeves. On the left hand side, I see, what's that? Repose, Vincent Van Gogh, 1863 to 1890. And then Theodore Van Gogh, 1857 to 1891. Wow. Why does this one look like a large? Did they run size bigger nowadays, or what's going on? All right, let's get this thing out of the way. So this will be the last unboxing for today, or for week number 1. Oh, I forgot to give you guys a description real quick. This is the text stripe, new era. This one is the red color, and size is 7.25. The price is $58 and $5.95 for the tax, $10 for shipping. Damn. Total is $73.95. Wow, that's expensive. But I'm glad this time they put in a nice box instead of just in a bag. Ooh, Supreme. Let's get this box out of the way. What? Are you kidding me? That's messed up. It's not even inside a bag. Oh crap. What is that black stuff? The reason I got this because of this box logo right here. So I guess those are the fabric or something from the background. Hopefully I can get it off. It doesn't really look nice. So here is the sticker. Be sure you get this sticker, but I thought that they were gonna come with in the bag. So wow, you see all this Supreme text. Those are the actual embroidery. It's not printed on, which is nice. So I'm glad I got this hat or the cap. And on the back it says world famous. One, two, three, four, five, six. So this is the sixth panel. Got 2, 4, 6 of those ventilation holes. And then on the side right here, you got the new era. And you got the Supreme. And then new era. So this is 100% wool, made in China. And that is the size. So many tags. It says December 2018. So let me show you guys inside the stitching and stuff like that, the threading, what's it look like. It looks kind of ugly on the inside. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. See what item you guys cop on the Supreme week number 1 drop. Stay tuned for the try on body video for the item that we got. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.